Hi, I'm Rock.
And I'm Carolyn.
And today our question is, what do you do to help keep your vegetables fresh longer?
I don't know.
Well,
Eat fast?
we just eat more of it and work quickly. Or there is an option, however, that we found out about, and we're going to give a try. It's called a BluApple. We just got it, and we're in the process of opening up, and it says it absorbs ethylene gas, which causes produce to over-ripen.
Oh, okay.
So it's very scientific.
It is. And you know what? You ever heard of a BluApple?
Uh,
I want to see you get into this thing. I always cut half of my finger off.
Yeah, the first challenge is opening the package. However, I do happen to have my Swiss Army knife that hopefully will help us get into this thing.
I cannot tell you how many of these Swiss Army knives he's lost going through TSA. They won't let him take his knife from the plane. He always has it.
Yes, since it's my constant companion.
This
However, we do have it open. Okay, so now we have, in fact, as what they promised, a BluApple. It comes with instructions, which nobody ever reads later. So the concept is behind this, you put these in your vegetable drawer, and they absorb something in there, absorbs the ethylene gas that some vegetables put out, and the ethylene gas is what causes them to ripen. So you wind up with fruit that is not as good as you would like, as Carolyn is demonstrating now with a bell pepper.
This bell pepper, I don't know how long it's been in the refrigerator, probably about 6 days. Anyway, it isn't benefiting from these things, but we do have a fresh bell pepper that we're going to try, and a head of lettuce, and we will put these in a refrigerator drawer, in another drawer without the BluApple.
This is just like my history class in high school.
It is. You have to have fruit in a controlled environment. You just can't go willy-nilly putting apples in your refrigerator.
Does it make any difference if I didn't do too well in that class either?
I'm telling you everything you need. So I'm explaining it all.
Everything that we need to know, Carolyn is going to provide us.
And what I don't know, I make up.
Okay, as long as we know that going in. We're going to try these, and then very shortly on our next video, we will give you a report back on how well these little BluApples work. In concept, it should be very good.
Yeah, concept.
Okay.
We're going to see how the BluApple did. Will you open the door?
Open the door.
All right, what have we got here?
Well, first of all, we have neatly labeled drawers, I think we need to take a note of.
Yeah, Rock is a very organized person, and he doesn't want the cheese going into the meat drawers or any other thing.
Makes it too difficult to find the cheese or the meat.
We're going to go right over here to the one that says vegetables.
And open up the vegetables with the BluApple in it.
There it is. They look pretty good, right? Pretty much the same stuff I had before, with the addition of this cabbage, which wasn't in there before, but everything else is good. So that lettuce looks good. Let's
Bell peppers look good too.
Yeah, they do, but who knows? Anyway, we will check the other drawer that's in the refrigerator in the garage for the control group.
Stay tuned.
Here we have our 2 lettuce subjects.
It's pretty obvious which is which.
Now let me pan around here a little bit. Oh, that one doesn't look very appetizing. Let's turn it over. I mean, I'm sure we could still eat it by taking off the top layers, but it's not as good as it could be.
If we compare it to this one over here, if we turn it over.
It's still fresh. I think we've got another winner here with this BluApple.
I think we have a product that is performing as advertised, as they say.
Yeah. It didn't make any difference in the bell peppers, but the bell peppers are a little hardier vegetable and don't deteriorate.
Yeah, they don't do that either. I don't
quite as fast.
I don't think you'd notice the difference until you cut them in half.
Probably not. Let them sit in there for a while, cut in half. But who wants to waste bell peppers? Because they're good for you.
Anyway, it looks pretty good.
Yes, it does. So
Let's hear it for the BluApple.
Yay, BluApple!